Greetings, everybody. Welcome back. This is going to be a fairly short weekly walkthrough because we're doing exactly the same thing we've been doing for the last 2 weeks, except this week your subject is the instructions. So remember, there is a document with all the descriptions of all three of these shorter documents that you guys have been turning in. The first week was definition, the second week was description, and this week is a set of instructions. Just like the other two, this one should look like an APA document. So you should have a title page. You should have references. You may single space the actual document itself. You can use bullets. You can use headings and subheadings. You can use anything that you want to make it look the way that you want it to look. Remember that you're basically doing documents that would be used in a workplace. So think about that when you're creating these, like make it visually appealing, all of that good stuff. But it is still a document for school. So cite your sources and all that. Remember, 2 visuals are required, at least 2, and you do want to use figure numbers, you want to caption them, and you want to cite them using an in-text citation, not just a link to the website that you got it from. And those would go, of course, on the references along with any other information that you have found by doing research. I also want to preview a little bit the upcoming big assignment. The formal analytical report is by far the biggest assignment that we have in ENC 2210. It is a major project. It may or may not contain some or all of the documents that you've created over the last 3 weeks. It can. They may be useful for you, but look ahead this week at that assignment so that you can start thinking about what you want to do with it. But next week we'll be starting it in earnest. So, but all the modules are open, so you can always duck ahead and look at the formal analytical report assignment. I think you might find it helpful, and that also may help you decide what you want to write in terms of what you want to include on the instructions document, because you may do it with that in mind. All right. So I hope everybody had a great weekend. I will see you next Monday for a more in-depth walkthrough because we have something new starting. So, but feel free to look ahead. Feel free to email me, inbox me. Put any questions about the assignments on the Q&A discussion board for you and your classmates' benefit. And I hope everyone has a great week. Take care, everybody.